Hello dear student, we are in class 7 exercise 1.3 question number 6. So here the given information is a certain freezing process require the room temperature be lower from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 in every hour. What will be the room temperature? They are asking here what will be the room temperature, and that room temperature they are asking after 10 hours after the process begins. So here the given information we note it down. So room temperature, you can write here room temperature. So here what is the room temperature? 40 degree Celsius. And then they have given the room temperature be lower at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So you can write here room temperature will lower means decrease at the rate of 5 degree Celsius. So here decrease means minus. Here the room temperature will be decrease or will be lower, it means it is minus 5 degree Celsius. And then you can write after 10 hours. So what they have given, the room temperature will be decrease at 1 hour, it is minus 5 degree Celsius. Here will be decrease, you can mention here at will be decrease at 1 hour. So after 10 hours temperature is, so in 1 hour it is decrease in minus 5 degree Celsius. So after 10 hours, so in 1 hour it is minus 5. So after 10 hours means you do 10 into minus 5. So it is minus 50 degree Celsius. So after 10 hour temperature is minus 50 degree Celsius. So what will be the room temperature after 10 hour? So you can write here change room temperature is, change room temperature is equals to, so current room temperature is what? 40. Got this? Current room temperature is 40 and this one is minus 50. This is change room temperature and 40 is the current room temperature, and here you do the plus because this value is minus, because whenever we do the difference, for getting difference we need subtraction, so that's the reason you have to use plus there. Or here their information is 10 hours after word is there, so you can use plus for this. So the for getting the difference of current and the change room temperature, as you know, there should be the subtraction of these two values, so we use here plus. So 40 minus 50, it is nothing but minus 10, and here we have given minus sign of the greater number, so it is 10 degree Celsius. So you can write here after 10 hour room temperature will be minus 10 degree Celsius. So this is the answer of question number 6. Now we go for the question number 7, quite bigger. So in this question we will note down the information. A test containing 10 questions, total 10 questions are there. Important information is 5 marks are awarded for correct answer. Means if you get correct answer we get 5 mark, and minus 2 is for incorrect answer, and 0 for question not completed. So they have given on the basis of 3 questions. So we noted down the given information. So if we attain the correct answer equal to 5 marks, got it, and incorrect answer means minus 2 marks. So this is the given information, and on the basis of 2 only we have to solve the question number 1 and 2 which is given in this question. So we solve first part, question number 1. So in the part 1 they have given Mohan gets 4 correct. So we are talking about the Mohan. Mohan got how many question correct? 4 correct answers. Mohan got 4 correct answer. So for one correct answer, how much mark? 5. So for 4, how much will be there? We want bigger number. So it means 5 into 4, it is 20. Multiplication will be there. Then next one is Mohan got. Incorrect answer is 6. Mohan got 6 incorrect answers. You can construct statement according to you. One incorrect answer, how much mark? -2. So 6 means multiplication will be there. 6 into -2. It is how much? -12. So here for correct he got 20 marks and for incorrect he got 12 marks. So you can write total marks. So total marks we will simply do addition. So correct mark is 20 and incorrect is -12. So finally 20 minus 12 is nothing but how much? 8. Sign of bigger number. So our answer is 8. So you can mention here what is his score, means Mohan got 8 or you can say Mohan's score is 8. 8 marks you can say. Now the second one is second information regarding to Reshma. So first I am writing the name. Reshma gets 5 correct answer. So you can write Reshma correct score is. Reshma correct score is. How much she got? Reshma got 5 correct answer. Reshma correct score is, she got total 5 correct answer. So 5 into 5 is 25. Then we will see incorrect. She got 5 incorrect answer. Reshma incorrect score. Reshma incorrect score. So incorrect is how many questions are there? Reshma got 5 correct and 5 incorrect. So 5 incorrect means what? For that negative marking is there 2. So we can write here 5 into -2 because for negative -2's are there. So it is -10. Okay, once again we see 5 correct and 5 incorrect. So for correct one 5 into 5 25, incorrect 5 into -2 -10. So next one is total marks or you can write total score. So 25 plus, we are counting marks, so it is plus -10. So it is what? 15. So Reshma's score is 15. Now we go on to the third part, Hina. Hina correct score. Hina correct score. How much she got correct? 2 correct. And incorrect is Hina get 2 correct and 5 incorrect. So her correct is 2. So 2 into 5 is 10. And next one is Hina incorrect score. Incorrect score means how much she got incorrect? 5 incorrect. So 5 into -2 is nothing but -10. So you can write here total marks or total score. First value is 10 plus, we are doing total, so it is plus. Incorrect answer is -10. So here 10 minus 10 is 0. So total score is 0. So this question number 7 is quite easy. The important information here, first you find out here correct answer 5 marks, incorrect answer -2. Then according to that you have to do multiplication, because for attending more questions for correct incorrect we will get the bigger number, so you have to do multiplication here. So I hope friend you understood question number 7 and question number 6 also. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.